home cafe essentials from
Shopee. Talk to me.
If you are new to my channel, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Let's go! First off is a parcel from China. It took me a week to receive the package. It's from miyugo.ph. Yes, it's a 300 ml red mocha pot for only 750 pesos. As you can see, it's not properly packed. But as I opened the parcel, grabe, sobrang ganda. It's sleek and very aesthetically pleasing. I haven't tried it yet, but I'm looking forward to it. Yes, with wooden handle. Next, another package from China. Took me again another week to get this. And this is from jihanhublue.ph. It's a red milk frother. Silicone yung body case niya. And naglagay lang ako ng 2 AA batteries to power it. So far, okay naman siya. Maganda siya, gumagana. Gamit na gamit ko siya actually. So, ito, matchy-matchy. Next is a parcel from a local store. It's from Gourmet Coffee PH. It's very well packed and ang sweet ni seller kasi nagbigay pa siya ng freebies. So, ayan, binuksan ko na siya. And dami pa ring bubble wrap. Daming nilagay na bubble wrap ni seller. It took me a while para matanggal lahat ng yan. But I'm very satisfied with how it was packed and the item itself. Sobrang cute niya. And syempre, another red French press. Oh, hanggang sa loob may bubble wrap pa din. So, nagagamit ko na siya. And saktong-sakto lang kasi for me and my kids. Yan. Cutie! Our last parcel is again from China. It took more than a week to receive the package. It's from rion.ph. These are some anik-aniks. And for me, parang medyo feeling ko nabudol ako. Kasi as you can see, ang liliit nila. And as I unbox this, medyo malungkot talaga ako. Hindi ko alam yung nararamdaman ko niyan. But as I used it, I feel that it served its purpose naman. So, I changed my mind and I felt satisfied. And so far, so good.